Ito pa rin Maxi, 15 na to. Ngayong araw dyan ng Martes, Pitya 18, 10 to 23 na Southeast 2 to 3 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, Pitya 19, 10 to 25 na Southeast 3 feet. Pitya 20, Huwebes, 10 to 21 na Este 3 feet. Pitya 21, Biyernes, 10 to 27 na East Southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 22, Sabado, 15 to 33 na Southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 23, Linggo, 20 to 42 na South-Southwest 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 24, Lunes, 10 to 25 na Southeast 2 to 3 feet. Pitya 25, Martes, 15 to 30 na Este 3 feet. Pitya 26, Miyerkules, 22 to 43 na Este 4 to 5 feet. At Pitya 27, Huwebes, 21 to 45 na Este 5 feet. Nakopya pa rin maksilya sa 15-1 to. So tayo nga mga naman. 15-1 to 5? Okay, sige. Sige. 15-1 to 5, Migong Iris. Paring Iris pala, pare. Paring. Sige, ito. 15-1 to 5, 15 to 30 na Southeast 40. Pitya 19 bukas, Miyerkules, 10 to 24 na Southeast 3 feet. Pitya 20, Huwebes, 17 to 33 na East-Southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 21, Biyernes, 25 to 44 na Southeast 5 feet. Pitya 22, Sabado, 18 to 38 na Southeast 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 23, Linggo, 17 to 37 na Southeast 4 feet. Pitya 24, Lunes, 22 to 47 na Southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 25, Martes, 20 to 40 na Este 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 26, Miyerkules, 30 to 56 na Este 5 to 6 feet. At Pitya 27, Huwebes, 23 to 42 na Este 5 to 6 feet. Nakopya pa rin Iris dyan sa 15-1 to 5. Ito amigong tupak, 15-1 to 3 ngayong araw ng Martes, Pitya 18, 15 to 36 na Southeast 3 feet. Yung 36 na bukso mamayang gabi. Bukas, Miyerkules, Pitya 19, 10 to 25 na Southeast 3 feet. Pitya 20, Huwebes, 10 to 23 na Southeast 3 feet. Pitya 21, Biyernes, 20 to 46 na Southeast 3 to 40. Yung 46 na bukso, sa gabi pa yun. Pitya 22, Sabado, 23 to 41 na Southeast 4 feet. Pitya 23, Linggo, 15 to 34 na South-Southwest na 3 feet. Pitya 24, Lunes, 15 to 32 na Southeast 3 feet. Pitya 25, Martes, 15 to 35 na Este 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 26, Miyerkules, 30 to 50 na Este 4 to 5 feet. At pitsa 27, Webes, 15 to 36 na este 5 feet. Nakopya may kong tupak dyan sa 15, 1 to 3. Wala na migo, ingat, magandang magaling. At survive 16, 1 to 3. 16, 1 to 3, yung ganun din, 40, 21 to 40 na southeast 3 feet. Mamayang tanghali hanggang gabi, 15 to 31 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, pitsa 19, 10 to 25 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 20, Webes, 15 to 31 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 21, Biyernes, 15 to 38 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 22, Sabado, 22 to 40 na southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 23, Linggo, 24 to 40 na southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 24, Lunes, 15 to 37 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 25, Martes, 15 to 33 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 26, Miyerkules, 20 to 47 na este 4 to 5 feet. At pitsa 27, Huwebes, 15 to 38 na este 5 feet. Nakopya may kong survive din sa 16, 1 to 3. Go, bye, bye. Alam naman. Ganda kumag. Ito, 17, 1 to 3. May kong parula. Ngayong umaga, may 44 20 to 44 hanggang alas 8. Mamayang tanghali hanggang gabi, 20 to 27 na lang na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, pitsa 19, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 20, Huwebes, 10 to 26 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 21, Biyernes, 15 to 36 na southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 22, Sabado, 25 to 41 na southeast 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 23, Linggo, 30 to 50 na southeast 5 feet. Pitsa 24, Lunes, 20 to 41 na southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 25, Martes, 15 to 33 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 26, Miyerkules, 20 to 40 na este 4 to 5 feet. At pitsa 27, Huwebes, 15 to 37 na este 5 feet. Nakopya may ko parola dyan sa 17, 1 to 3. Bye po kayo. Ingat. Mga lumaga. Migo Patersoy, 16, 1 to 5. May araw ng Martes. 15 to 35 na southeast 4 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, 19, 10 to 27 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 20, Huwebes, 15 to 33 na east-southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 21, Biyernes, 23 to 44 na southeast 5 feet. Pitsa 22, Sabado, 22 to 40 na southeast 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 23, Linggo, 23 to 40 na southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 24, Lunes, 15 to 32 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 25, Martes, 20 to 40 na southeast 4 to 5 feet. Pecha 26, Miyerkules, 30 to 51 na este, 5 to 6 feet. At pecha 27, Huwebes, 20 to 42 na este, 5 to 6 feet pa rin medyo Padre Soy po yan. Wala nang medyo, ingat, magandang umaga. Ito, 14-1-2-5, ngayong araw ng Martes, pecha 18, 10 to 28 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, pecha 19, 15 to 30 na southeast, 3 feet. Pecha 20, Huwebes, 15 to 30 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Pecha 21, Biyernes, 20 to 42 na southeast, 4 feet. Pecha 22, Sabado, 20 to 41 na southeast, 4 feet. Pecha 23, Linggo, 15 to 32 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pecha 24, Lunes, 15 to 31 na este, 3 feet. Pecha 25, Martes, 18 to 37 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Pecha 26, Miyerkules, 30 to 51 na este, 5 to 6 feet. At pecha 27, Huwebes, 23 to 42 na este, 5 to 6 feet pa rin medong kardo dyan sa 14-1-2-5. Kupay, ingat, magandang maga. 13-1-2-5, ngayong araw ng Martes, pecha 18, 15 to 32 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, pecha 19, 10 to 24 na east-southeast, 3 feet. Pecha 20, Huwebes, 10 to 21 na este, 3 feet. Pecha 21, Biyernes, 15 to 33 na southeast, 4 feet. Pecha 22, Sabado, 17 to 33 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pecha 23, Linggo, 10 to 24 na southeast, 3 feet. Pecha 24, Lunes, 15 to 35 na este, 3 feet. Pecha 25, Martes, 25 to 40 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Pecha 26, Miyerkules, 20 to 46 na este, 5 feet. At pecha 27, Huwebes, 22 to 42 na este, 5 to 6 feet. Nakopya mi ko Maria Elena dyan sa 13-1-2-5. Sige, kopay. Ito mi ko, 11-1-2-6, ngayong araw ng Martes, pecha 18, 10 to 28 na southeast, 3 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, pecha 19, 10 to 22 na east-northeast, 3 feet. Pecha 20, Huwebes, 10 to 23 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 3 feet. Pecha 21, Biyernes, 10 to 28 na south-southwest sa 3 feet. Pecha 22, Sabado, 15 to 32 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pecha 23, Linggo, 10 to 23 na southeast, 3 feet. Pecha 24, Lunes, 15 to 33 na este, 2 to 3 feet. Pecha 25, Martes, 15 to 36 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Pecha 26, Miyerkules, 21 to 41 na este, 4 to 5 feet. At petsa 27, Huwebes, 10 to 27 na east-southeast na 4 to 5 feet. Nakapamigod yan sa 11, 1 to 6. Abandi na, 14,116. Sige. 14,116, ngayong araw ng Martes, petsa 18. 20 to 14 na southwest, 3 feet. Bukas, Miyerkules, petsa 19, 15 to 36 na southwest, 3 feet. Petsa 20, Huwebes, 15 to 37 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 21, Biyernes, 15 to 36 na south-southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 22, Sabado, 25 to 45 na south-southwest naman na 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 23, Linggo, 35 to 58 na southwest, 5 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi. Kopya. Magsisimula siya alas 5 ng hapon, yung 8 feet. Petsa 23. Petsa 24, Lunes, 40 to 16 na southwest, 9 feet. Petsa 25, Martes, 30 to 15 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 26, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na southwest umaga, mag-southeast sa hapon na 4 to 5 feet. At petsa 27, Huwebes, 17 to 37 na este, 3 to 4 feet na lang may good sa 14,116. So, 5 to 5.